try and keep everything really, really simple. And what that boiled down for us was, how do we ensure we never run out of food and always serve the freshest product? So when we came across PreciTaste, it seemed like a solution that potentially could fit those needs.
When I actually first started with the Haik Restaurant Group, we had this really robust system for setting production and setting prep and figuring out how much people needed to prep each day. Once we came across PreciTaste, it was, we don't have to.
The prep assistant digitalizes your prep sheet. Most restaurants still operate on the paper or Excel spreadsheet, but there's no technology really involved.
The Prep Assistant solution, essentially at its core, is a really, really good predictor of what your sales are going to be. And it uses AI to do that. And based off of that, we are going to need to prep this much of each of these items. If you have preps that are good for multiple days, it can tell you exactly how much you're going to need on each day of your business in a more accurate way than anything we've ever seen in the past in this industry.
Thanks to Intel and OpenVINO and the intercore presser, it really helps us make the solution possible to offer something to restaurants that is AI-driven and making the operations more efficient and easier on a day-to-day basis.
Initially, our expectation was that we were supposed to see a reduction in cost of goods, which we attributed to a reduction in waste. What we did not expect to see was an improved speed of service, which helped us improve our top-line sales growth, as well as a reduction in our comps and promos. Those things were spectacular.
It's been fantastic. It actually is able to go in and give you really predictive sales, close to 95% accurate without your operator having to do a thing.
First day that we implemented it, every single team member picked up on it within about 5 minutes. They were really eager to get started with it, and it's just made their life a lot easier. Using PreciTaste has freed up our managers to be more on the floor with the customers. I can spend more time with my team, and I think that's been the biggest benefit of this technology.
The reality is the future's here, it's now. We are a firm believer that we're in the people business. What's great about PreciTaste is that it really empowers that philosophy, which helps us become best in class.